This extension helps you to change the boring background look which Chrome has got by default. It has a huge variety of backgrounds to choose from. For example, here I've chosen a background from the bar category. This one works similar to Rainy Mood, using which you can hear the soothing rainfall while working on the desktop. It also has other rain elements to add like trees, leaves, etc. LastPass has always been a favorite of mine, wherein you just need to remember the one master password for all of your accounts. This extension automatically fills your credentials for any service like Gmail, Facebook, etc. by saving your typing time on the go. UltraSurf is a VPN extension. Using this, you can access geo-restricted websites. The only work it does is that it changes your location. For example, if you wish to use Fortify, it comes in handy, which then allows you to access it. This extension blocks those annoying pop-ups which shows up as soon as you open a website which has lots of ads running on it. Just by using it, you can surf ad-free. If you wish to get more out of your current Chrome background, well, Momentum will do it. It has all these amazing backgrounds and a name setting. It also shows temperature and has a built-in sticky keynotes column. User Agent just changes the fingerprint of the browser. Using it, you can surf the websites with different browser requirements, like you can pretend to use Safari on a Chrome. Next up, we have uBlock Origin. It does not block pop-ups. In fact, it disables the ads on any website. It even disables YouTube ads, a must-have extension if you want to browse the internet ad-free. HubSpot Sales is a very unique extension. It basically provides you with all the information of an email ID user, like institution, phone number, etc. It also helps us to know if a mail is spam. And the last one on our list is Dark Theme Everywhere. It just enables night mode into the browser only with a single tap. It comes in handy when you surf the internet at night. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, and this is Abhijit signing out.